Mango Math, Helping to Grow Math Confident Kids presents Add 'em Up, a kindergarten game. Add 'em Up is a kindergarten game that falls under the math strand of algebraic thinking. It adheres to the Common Core standard of an algebraic thinking game that represents addition and subtraction with objects, mental images, drawings, verbal explanations, expressions, or equations. Add 'em Up comes with some math terms that will help increase their understanding. Those terms are probability, the likelihood of an event happening; data, the information collected on a specific time. The students will have some supplies that come in their plastic pouch along with the instructions, and that will be a laminated Add 'em Up game board that has fun little horses on it with numbers. They will have a dry erase marker so that they can mark on their laminated board, as well as an eraser to erase off their marks. And they'll have a pair of numbered die. They'll start with their game board, which is laminated, and they'll take their dry erase marker and they'll write their name over the horse that they want to win. In this case, Jill would like 4 to win, Jacob wants 5, Juan picked 7, and Jenny picked 11. So whatever numbers they want, they can put their initials by that horse. They will then have their dice, and first student will roll it. You can start with the youngest student going first. And they'll roll the dice, and they add the two numbers together to create a sum. And in this case, they rolled a 1 and a 3, which adds together to make 4. And they'll mark a 4, or mark an X under the 4 horse. They will they don't have, if a sum comes up that is a horse that does not have a name going with it, they will still mark that horse, because a riderless horse could win the game. So it's not necessarily you're just picking those names, those horses that have names with them, but they're to win. So they'll continue on until all their horses they've rolled the dice and they're all marked up, and you have one horse that's close to winning, number 7, and they roll the dice and they have a 6 plus a 1, which comes up to the total of 7, and they'll mark that, and that crosses the finish line. So that horse has won the game. Notice that some horses have no marks under them because that sum was never rolled. Some great guided questions to promote critical thinking. Which number won more often, or which horse won more often? Why do you think that number won, or why do you think that horse won? And what number would you pick to win if you played this game again? See if they'll change what number they selected. Children at this age don't necessarily understand probability. They're more apt to think of a lucky number based on their understanding at that point. So don't press that point as much as just the adding of the two numbers together to get their addition facts down. Enjoy!